Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a embroidery blouse. So to make this I just took a blouse piece, and this is the wrong side of the fabric. So to the wrong side of the fabric I'm going to just draw a straight line, leaving a 2-inch of gap in between each line. And I'm going to continue these lines from the top of the blouse till the end. So this is absolutely left up to you. If you want, you can draw diagonal lines like this, or else if you want, you can just draw a box like shape or a diamond shape to the fabric. So this is a normal poplin fabric. Okay, so you can try this for your blouse and also for the kurti neckline. So I'm just drawing the line, leaving a 1.5 to 2 inch of gap in between like this. And you can try to make this design in a normal machine. I show you how to use the embroidery thread in the normal machine. So this is the wrong side of the fabric, and this is the pre side of the fabric. Okay, you're going to sew on the wrong side of the fabric. So I'm using an anchor embroidery thread. Okay, this is a normal embroidery hand embroidery thread, and let me show you how to wind this in the bobbin. And just take a stance and take your bobbin and make sure you wind this in a very tight way. Okay, I'm just winding it manually. If you want, you can try this step, or else if you want, you can wind this with your sewing machine also. I have already wind one of these bobbin case and I show you that. So this is how it should be tight enough. And let me put into the case and show you how it's going to look like. So you're going to put into the case, and this how it's going to come out. It should not be too tight, it should be a little bit loose enough. And now I'm stitching on the fabric on the exact line that I have marked, and this is the wrong side of the fabric, which is very important. When you sew to the wrong side of the fabric, the embroidery thread would be in the pretty side of the fabric. Okay, to the straight line exactly I'm sewing this. So you can draw any kind of pattern, any design, any kind of like a diamond or square shape, and you can try this embroidery technique. And this is how it's going to look from the pre-side. It just looks really neat. You can try this on your curtain and like a lunch towel for your kids. You can draw any kind of shape, flowers as you like in a free motion. And this is how it's going to look. So this is a small technique where you can use these kind of embroidery thread to make the fabric to look really bright and pretty. And this is the wrong side, and this is the pre side of the fabric, and this is how it's look. And to the exactly like leaving every 3 inch I'm going to draw a mark. That is, after 3 inch I'm going to give a mark, and I'd be making a flower for every 3 inch. Like this. So to get the perfect look, I'm just marking it for 3 inch so that it have a very neat alignment. So just like that, I'm just marking 3 inch like this. So the next step, you need an embroidery frame to draw to make the flower. So I just took my small size embroidery frame, and I'm just fixing that embroidery frame in my fabric. The small size of the circle should come underneath the fabric, and the big circle of the embroidery frame should be on top. So this is a small circle I'm just putting underneath my fabric, and I just want this to be on a perfect place. So I'm be a little bit adjusting that till I get into the right position. Okay, and I'm just locking it with the big circle like this, and make sure the fabric is tight enough before you sew that. So if the fabric is not tight, the flower won't come correctly, it will be loose. So just putting the needle in, and you're going to put the thread on top of the needle and pull out the needle like this, and you're going to lock the stitch just by sewing at the end of the thread like this. And once you're done, the stitch will be locked nice and neat. Same like that, I'm going to give just 3 petals to make this work neat. So take out the thread which comes from the petal, and you're going to put on top of the needle and pull that out. Okay. Don't pull that too much so that the petal would be thin enough. So if you want the petal to be thick and look really nice, make sure you don't pull that. It should not be too tight, it should be a little bit loose, so that it's just going to look really beautiful. So in same like this, I'm finishing the entire blouse. So that's it. Just came out really pretty beautiful, and this is how it's going to look. And I have made the entire blouse, and also to the end I have given a small pearl to the flower like this. And let me show you how to sew one of the pearls on the exact end point of the flower. And it's a just fun project. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. So you're going to cut this out once the pattern is ready. After making all the flowers, you're going to cut into the neckline and the armhole. If you're going to do the same to your kurta or kurti, you have to follow the same step. First do till your bodice, and then you're going to cut into the neckline and armhole. So see you next time with a different kind of video. Take care. Bye bye.